Oh my God.
I think it's tight.
You like it?
Yo, easy, come on.
Oh my God, bro.
Today we're going to be taking my new Beast through a variety of tests, from trying to see if it fits through the drive-thru, making sure my 6'7" friend Big Mac can fit in the car, and if we'll even fit in a standard parking garage. Stick around to the very end to see a secret feature that is special to only my car.
Oh, bro, this is so high. Like, you have to actually hop in the car.
Woo. All right, we're here with the car right now. We tried to figure out how to take the doors off, but it's a little too complicated, so you guys are going to have to stay tuned for future videos to see that. But let's try to take this... call it the roof off. The easiest way to take off the roof of a Jeep, and you guys might not have known this, but here, come here. Brittany.
First, unlatch all the latches. They're ready. We just need some manpower.
Okay.
All right, we got half of the ceiling removed. Now, can't be dressed like this driving a car like that. Much better. Got Nicki Minaj playing.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, who put this music on? What do you think?
What up? I think it's tight. I'm kind of scared though.
Why?
Because it bite.
Here, look at the other side. Look at the inside, dude.
Nice. Oh, I like this.
All right, we're gonna see if Big Mac could fit in this car. The only reason I bought this car is for Matt, literally because I was driving around the Tesla and it wasn't working, so come on, buddy. All right.
That was perfect.
That was really easy.
I like it.
To the drive-thru we go. How many Krabby Patties do you guys want?
You gotta go way wider. You got it.
I got it, dog. Come on out. I used to be a truck driver in my sleep. Oh my goodness, I barely passed it. Hi there, do you have the Krabby Patty meal? Oh shoot. Is my back okay, Eddie? I'm not good, huh? All right, we fit. All right, here's the...
Did I give you a straw?
Who needs straws when you drive a big car? Let me see that burger.
Oh, that's a
I'm a goofy goober, yeah. Do I have ketchup on me, or is that?
Yeah, let's have something on your...
Here, hold this. Just like the movie. I used to be in the movie. I used to be the guy underwater where he would go, hi, what? Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, so we're at the Claremont Village. This is kind of where like we grew up and hung out and stuff like that. We'd always go to the parking structure at the top, so we're gonna go there. 8.2, can we hit that clearance? Can I touch it? Oh man, Matt, we gotta go bigger. We're too small, dog. Oh, 7 foot clearance now? Uh-oh.
Are you gonna make that?
Wait, are we actually gonna make it?
Yeah, bro.
At least you got the roof off. You can tell.
Hey, yeah, you making it. You making it. You got another foot, dog.
Even behind us though?
We're so close. Oh my God.
Yeah. Is that ginger shot big enough for Matt? Matt, just drink it already before you get. You already
This
spilling.
is somebody else's. I already drank mine.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, how do you take that one? Brittany, you
mine.
give me one.
Spicy.
Guys, we got ginger shots. We're being healthy.
Cheers.
The only shots we do.
Ginger.
Wow, that was really good.
Some lemon in there.
Come look at the inside.
Oh wow. This is nice.
But you didn't have to get the Louis Vuitton one, did you?
Yeah, make them think it's Louis Vuitton.
It is. I had this appraised at the Louis Vuitton Museum, and honestly, this is priceless. And send me the check for saying that.
How much you need?
Just like $10.
All right, so we're here, and obviously we got to do something more pink and blue inspired because we've been not really doing that today. So we're gonna find whatever we can, drink-wise, smoothie, slushy, coffee, whatever's pink and blue. If we find pink and blue coffee, we gotta get it. All right, let's get something pink and blue. Do you have something, a drink that's like pink and blue or no? Oh, thank you. Wow. All right, so we got, is this pink?
Pink.
Are you colorblind?
What?
Just can we pretend this is pink?
It is pink.
All right, so we're gonna make a little mix and match pink drink situation. If you guys are thinking about making this recipe at home, don't.
Oh, it's happening. It's happening, guys.
There you go. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, kind of, maybe.
That kind of works.
If you don't look at it, it's pink and blue. Now we give it a swirl. Oh wait, look at it from this angle. Now we take a sip.
Wow.
Tastes like the car, huh?
Yeah.
Now we need a comparison to see if this actually tastes like the car. That was a little more rough. All right, we just spotted a Cybertruck. So we are going to pull up behind the Cybertruck and compare and contrast two vehiculars. What looks better from your angle?
I think your car looks better.
You think? You wanna ride in here or no? All right, so I can't be dressed like this driving something like that, right? So let's go find something pink and something blue.
Those are cute.
Yeah, look, blue,
And pink.
blue, and pink.
You know what brand I have right
I
now?
actually really
What?
like these.
You guys know what brand I have? Guess.
What is it?
Guess.
Abercrombie,
Guess.
Hollister,
Guess.
You'll never guess.
Louis Vuitton. Oh.
Just telling you the whole time.
Oh my god.
Got the shorts. They're expensive. They're actually they're marked down to $899.
Wow.
The abominable snowman.
Bro.
Ooh.
We officially got all the stuff we needed. I got my. How did we spend $80 here? I don't know. What did you get? Brittany literally got like 8 pink things, and I got 1 gorilla costume, whatever it is.
But see, we split everything. He gets one bag and I get the other.
All right, let's go put it on and see how it looks in the car.
Hey, sir. You have a really nice car.
Hey kid, you want some candy?
Yeah.
Get in the trunk.
Okay.
Ready for this? Okay. Go to the front. Go to the front. You guys haven't even seen this. Watch what happens when I do this. No, I know Hollywood's gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this. Look at this.
That's sick.
You like it?
Yo, come on. This is Kia.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this car video, and I hope you guys like the new car. The official name of this car, I don't think we mentioned it on the video, but the official name is the Candy Kong. So we're gonna get that sticker done soon and everything. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the like button, turn on post notification bells, and let us know what other car content you guys want to see. We got a lot more planned. Brittany spilled the cotton candy lollipop. She's cleaning it. But if you guys enjoyed this, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Thanks for watching.
And if you guys don't like the name, let me know what name you guys would pick. All right, bye.